The Luhya people of Western Kenya are one of the largest ethnic communities in the country, known for their rich culture, unity, and strong traditions. Their origin story is a blend of oral traditions, migration theories, and historical studies. Here's a detailed historical account of their origins. 1. The Luhya identity and composition. The Luhya are not a single ethnic group in the strict sense, but rather a confederation of sub-tribes that share cultural, linguistic, and historical ties. Today, there are 18 main Luhya sub-tribes, including the Bukusu, Maragoli, Banyala, Banyore, Idako, Isuka, Wanga, Tachoni, Marachi, and Kabras, among others. 2. Linguistic and cultural roots. Luhya sub-tribes speak various dialects of the Luhya language, which belongs to the larger Bantu language family. This places their deeper ancestry within the Bantu migration, a massive movement of people from Central and West Africa that started around 1000 BCE. 3. Migration and settlement. There are two main theories explaining how the Luhya people came to settle in Western Kenya. A. Bantu migration theory. According to historians and anthropologists, the Luhya originated from the Congo Basin or Central Africa, migrating eastward as part of the Great Bantu expansion. They moved through present-day Uganda and into western Kenya around 1000 to 1500 AD. These migrants brought with them knowledge of ironworking, agriculture, and cattle keeping. They settled around the Lake Victoria Basin, intermarrying with Nilotic and Cushitic communities already in the region. B. Intertribal formation theory. Another theory suggests that the Luhya identity formed later as a coalition of various small clans and communities that shared trade routes, farming practices, and intermarriage. These clans eventually adopted similar languages and cultural practices, identifying collectively as Abaluhya, meaning the people or those of the same hearth. 4. The role of the Wanga kingdom. One of the most significant and well-documented Luhya sub-tribes is the Wanga, known for establishing a centralized political system. The Wanga kingdom, with its capital at Mumias, was led by a line of kings called the Nabongo,